Hmm. What is this stuff? Obviously, it's coffee. But it's not just any coffee. This is Cafe Primero coffee. Now, I want you to say something with me. Okay, are you ready? Agaricus blase murel mushroom extract. These 5 words right here: Agaricus blase murel mushroom extract. There are 2 ingredients in this product. There's coffee, and then there is organic H1X1, which is the Agaricus blase murel mushroom extract. And I hope I am saying that correctly. Guys, I am really, really impressed with this product. It's called Cafe Primero. And unlike a lot of the other health products that are out there, for one, you get 52 servings with your order. Okay, so you're not just buying like a 15-day supply or whatever for outrageous amount. Basically, you're going to get a whole month's supply for about 50 bucks. And that's a couple of servings a day. Okay, on not every day, but a lot of days. And when you drink a cup of this coffee, okay, this is what I 100,000,000% guarantee you. Within 30 minutes of drinking a cup of this coffee, you are going to feel like you did when you were 12 years old. You are going to notice a difference that quickly. Unlike a lot of the other health products that are out there, and a lot, by a lot I mean a lot, because usually with a health supplement, you need to take it for 3 or 4 days before you really start to feel the difference. Your body has to get used to it. A lot of times it has to build up in your system, and you have to really experience it for a couple of days at least before you really start to feel the difference. That's not the case with Cafe Primero. What is this product going to do for you? It's going to make you more productive. It's going to give you more energy. It's going to boost your immune system. This has a very, very high ORAC score, a very high anti-cancer property to this product. Now, the product's not meant to treat, cure, prevent, or diagnose a disease, but if you do the research, which I'm going to provide you with, probably below this video, there's probably a link that links to a page that's going to educate you, or you're on that page right now. And what I recommend you do is I recommend you get educated about this product, because this product is life-changing. Whether you participate in the free home business and share this with your friends, which I don't know why you wouldn't, whether you do that or not, okay, it does not matter, okay, because you need this product right here, Cafe Primero. It is delicious. It is a delicious cup of coffee. If you like coffee, it's a medium blend. Kind of reminds me of Donut Shop from the Keurig collection. You buy the little Keurig K-Cups for your coffee maker. Donut Shop coffee tastes very similar to this, but it doesn't have near the health benefits that the Cafe Primero does. So basically, guys, what you need to do is you need to order this product. Okay, it really is as simple as that. If you're a coffee drinker, or you know somebody who is a coffee drinker, this is something that you're definitely going to want to get your hands on. If you don't, you're going to be kicking yourself, okay? Because this is the opportunity of a lifetime. What opportunity is this? What are we talking about? We're talking about Novus Era. And what is Novus Era? Well, Novus Era Life is about your new era of life. Okay, this is a new era for your life, because it's the first day of the rest of your life. And if you're not satisfied with your health situation, now's the time to get healthy. Okay, this product is going to help you get healthy. It's even going to reduce your appetite. It's got a lot of benefits, guys. And basically, the only thing left for you to do is to order the product and try it for yourself. For more information about this product or anything else concerning Novus Era, you can go to my blog at NovuSeraLife.com. Remember that. NovuSeraLife, N-O-U, or excuse me, I can't even spell, Novusera. So Novus, new, era. NovuSeraLife.com. Thanks for watching the video.